Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Apple Watch paired to your iPhone and both logged into the same iCloud account. Next, install and sign into the Tesla mobile app on the iPhone. Make sure Bluetooth and background app refresh are on so the car and phone can communicate reliably. Then, open the Tesla app, add the car if needed, and enable phone key under controls. This links the car to your phone. Once done, the phone key relationship prepares the watch to act as your remote unlock device. Now configure the watch side. Install the Tesla app on your Apple Watch if available, or enable watch features inside the iPhone Tesla app. This creates the remote UI. Make sure the watch allows notifications, background app refresh, and that wrist detection is active. These let the watch prove you're wearing it and keep the key handshake alive. Then open the watch app to confirm car controls appear, lock, unlock, and a proximity unlock indicator. If the controls show, you've established the secure link between watch, phone, and car. To open the Tesla, approach while wearing the Apple Watch. Proximity unlock should trigger automatically. If not, bring the watch close to the door handle or use the watch app's unlock button. Once unlocked, pull the handle and enter. If nothing happens, restart the watch and iPhone, re-enable phone key in the Tesla app, and confirm Bluetooth is active. These steps often restore the handshake. One key troubleshooting tip. If the watch won't authenticate, remove and re-add the car in the Tesla app to reset the secure pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.